Alright, little one, another Sunday. I heard there's a new booth for Hot Wheels, so we're gonna see what they have. I'm really looking for old stuff. I don't really care for new stuff that much. It'd be nice to get some new stuff, but it's not why I come to the Traders Market, right, little one? Yeah.
I'm ready to go see Hot Wheels.
Okay. Thank you. See if they got anything new. See anything or no?
Yeah, go for it. You know what that means? Awesome. Yeah, look at here. Okay.
There's another England exclusive. Don't think they're gonna have anything new.
If you put your whole finger.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Come on. Oh wow, yeah. I didn't even know this was even dropping. Nice. So you got the 56. Yeah, it's a awesome set. Yeah. Yeah. Wish they would stop using those aero disc wheels. This Ranchero's really nice though. Yeah, that's a solid set. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah. Ooh, that is nice. New customs in there? Or new wheel swaps? Oh yeah. Ah, that's a nice one. Oh man, that S2000 is nice. I'm definitely gonna buy that, take that one from you. Oh yeah, that is nice. Let's see which other one is really clean looking. Oh man, choices. Let's see, 510 or GT3. I'll go GT3. I'll take the GT3 one too. Yep. We're gonna go look at a new booth. See what they have. You mind if I film it? Alright, cool. Some goodies. Huh? Yeah. Stay right here though. Look at another Corvette.
I got a little bit out with tracks over somewhere, but you gotta have that a little bit. Yeah. More or less, I'm into the old classic. I do the old classic stuff.
Ooh, there's a red one.
Oh, my great.
All right, guys, talk about an awesome Traders Market haul this go round. So that new booth was actually set up last weekend. I didn't get to stop by. I actually went to my typical ones that I always go to and then left. And then a couple minutes later, a local collector reached out to me on Facebook and let me know that, hey, there's a new booth. There's a guy set up, and I was like, of course. I had already left, but we went there and I knew I was going to stop by today. So he had a lot of stuff, guys. He said he has about 12,000 cars in his collection and he's gonna be changing them out every weekend. So there's gonna be something new every time we go. So I am stoked because you guys know I love finding all the old variations of castings that we already have that are previously released out of the last few years. And finding the older ones is even better. So these are the things that I picked up from his booth, starting out with the Porsche 935-78 in this awesome PPG livery. Check this out, guys. Nice white enamel. You have the blue Tampa works with the 76, and you do have the blue Real Rider turbo fans all the way around. Check this beauty out. Oh man, I could not let this go. $6, not bad, guys. Definitely had seen this for more at the cubbyhole. You have the Chevy Monza out of the series, the Greenwood Corvette, the RWB Porsche 930, which I do have now courtesy of Rich, and then the Nissan Skyline Silhouette. I hope that Matthew has this in his series. Matthew's the guy who runs that booth. Super cool guy, seems really down to earth. And then is just all about collecting. So we got the Porsche 935. I think King Nut picked this one up from Cubbyhole at one time. I remember I was super jelly because it is an awesome Porsche. And next up we have a new color variation for the collection into the Ford Focus. It is in white enamel and you have the handy decal right there wrapped up in flames. And then you do have the J handy right there on the door, fitted with chrome 5 dots and of course this massive black chassis wing. Just an awesome casting. There's not many of these, so it's not going to be hard to collect them all, but it is collector 184 out of 2002. Just a fresh looking cast. As the 5-pack of the super sports cars, you have the Porsche 959, this beautiful red metallic, and then followed up by the Ferrari Testarossa. Got the white Lamborghini Countach LP500S, and then another Porsche 959 in this purple metallic, and then finishing off with the Firebird T-top with the Blackwall Basics right there. Was not gonna pass it up, and it was very hard to decide because he had some pretty good 5-packs. He actually had a lot of really cool casting. I did pick up another color variation of the Zenderfact 4. I think I do have this one, but this card is in such good condition. I might open the one that I have that's pretty rough. So here we go, nice red enamel, chrome saw blades, the Flames of Destruction deco fitted with the flames on the hood and roof. It's collector 208 out of 2000. Then the next two, guys, check this out. The BMW 3.0 CSL race cars in 2 liveries. You got the black Castrol's with the chrome lace wheels. Definitely love this one. Check that out. And I just picked up the new 2022 recolor of it, and I had asked if there was other variations, and you guys definitely let me know. Sent me some links of the variations, and then check it out. Very next day we come across these bad boys right here. This white one is super clean with the M3 or the M Sport stripes wrapping around the sides. Then you do have the black MC5s with the blue 68. Look at that. This is out of the BMW series out of 2016. So 3 73 BMW variations. These are all gonna be opened. And then right here, guys, I picked up some simple wheel swaps from my buddy Bob, who you guys really like his work on just wheels alone. But look at this S2000. Beautiful maroon metallic. You got the AEM deco with the number 12, and these gold 6-spokes look amazing. Look at that. God, that looks really good. The gold wheels definitely caught my eye. It really ties in nicely with the AEM deco. Then this one right here, guys, the Porsche Gt3 Rs. Look at those wheels. You got the Yokohama Advan HFs wrapped all the way around in some 7-spoke in charcoal finish. Yeah, he said these came from Malaysia, or I can't remember where he said, Taiwan or Malaysia, years ago, and it's been on this casting ever since. An awesome, awesome wheel choice for this beauty right there. This one right here I did pick up from him carded. I just opened it up for you guys to check it out, but it's the Mini Cooper S. And look at this color, guys. Beautiful turquoise. You have the number 2. Those white 5-spokes look really nice. So it's out of the same series as this one, the Volkswagen Scirocco. So it's right there. You see the Mini Cooper S Challenge. So there we go. Went back, picked up this one from him because I think it's a really cool one. I do have a couple color variations of this, so why not, right? Last but definitely not least, we got these in a package from my buddy Nate. He actually forgot he had a box in his garage, and he was like, hey, it's got your name on it. I don't know what's in it because I don't remember. It's been so long, so we're gonna send it over to you. And it was this beautiful 85 Honda City Turbo 2, guys. Look at this. This was the last one I needed to complete all of my Honda City Turbos. I have all the variations except for one in silver. There's one silver one with the Honda badge in the front and one without. So I have the one with the H. I just need to find the one without, and I will have all of them all the way up into this year's release in the green. So there we go. Beautiful Honda City Turbo 2 out of the Decades series. And he also sent the little short card Baja Holler. Kind of hard to say, Baja Holler. And I'm not sure if it's supposed to, oh yeah, I guess it is, because on the card art it does have the black wheels in the front and red in the back. But interesting casting. Rich had sent me one of these, and it actually had a closed top, I believe. This one has an open top, but there we go. Love in the livery, of course. And yeah, and then last but not least is the Zamac number 17 of 2021, the Dodge Charger stock car. Look at this. I do have this now. He had picked this up for me when we were moving here to South Dakota because I could not find these at all from Denver all the way here. We don't get Zamacs here for some reason. So actually had a little box for me put together, completely forgot about it, which I think is awesome because now it was a great surprise because I forgot all about the 85 Honda. But awesome little Traders Market haul. I know you were probably expecting me to buy all kinds of stuff, but I tried to really tame myself. So 78 Porsche 935 out of the Car Culture Silhouette series. Hopefully I can find the Nissan Skyline. That thing is awesome. He did have the Corvette, but I left that one behind. So yeah, guys, that is all we got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and let me know what you saw on his table that you just absolutely loved and wondered why I missed, or just what I picked up in general, if you agree that these were just awesome pickings from what he had. So next weekend he said he's gonna have completely new stuff. There's also a huge swap meet that's gonna happen Saturday, so I might stop in on that, get some good footage, maybe trade some stuff, buy some stuff, I don't know. Until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. All right, guys, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Beautiful. Oh, that is so nice. There's another. Oh, man. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that, guys. Boom. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Man, that looks so good. Nice beauties right there. All right, here goes another one. I have all my City Turbos loose anyways. Look at that, man. That thing is fresh. Let's go ahead and throw that there. Here we go. Old blue card, 184. Ooh, now that is fresh. Look at that. This thing has been sealed for 20 years. There we go. Zender Fact 4. Look at this one. Oh yeah, that's nice. And then here we go. 78 Porsche 935. Oh yeah. That is a beauty. Look at that. Oh man. All right, cool. So we'll go ahead and put the Porsche in this jammer. I think we have a spot left. 2 spots left for a premium. This one will go right there. Boom. Look at that. This one has people's customs and wheel swaps and all that good stuff that people have sent. The others, so beautiful Honda S2000, Porsche GT3, put that one right there. All right, we got one more spot for a premium. Still have this whole side right here. So we still got more customs. I gotta find Hewitt's Badman wagon. It's somewhere in here in one of those cases. There we go, guys. Got some Lucy's. We'll go ahead and keep this one carded in case someone needs it. But yeah, there we go. Look at those. There we go. Now we're done. Peace.